Hi guys, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today we are going to be doing an arm replacement on this is the Maverick EZ 7000 unit, but this installation repair guide here is good for the Maverick EZ 7000, Maverick EZ 4000, the Horton 4100 series, the Horton 7100 series. Process is going to be the same for all. Now, things we need here, we're going to need an Allen wrench set, and then a Phillips screwdriver. So trick here is going to be to put the door in hold open first. So why would we need to replace an arm? Well, a lot of times the main arm or sometimes even the forearm will break on these, and that will happen under abuse. So if you get if you have these installed in an abusive environment, or maybe the wind catches your door, I've seen them sometimes where these will just snap in half, or even on the forearm portion. Now, it looks simple. It looks like you can just undo it here, but that is not what you want to do. It's a very dangerous way to do it. Both the Maverick and the Horton units, they're all have wound springs in them. So if I were to undo this and try to pull the arm off, or maybe if I tried to undo it here and pull it off, this arm is going to go flying that way. So with a significant amount of force, because there's a clock spring in here that's wound currently. So what we're going to do first is we are going to put the unit in hold open. So I'm going to switch this to hold open. Wait for it to come all the way open. Make sure it hits its stop. So it looks like it hit its stop. So stop moving. So next thing we're going to do, I'm going to loosen this up first. So it's just an Allen bolt back here. Crack this. Have to loosen this up enough so that you can get it to slide over. And then what we're going to do is pull out the Phillips head screw right here in the washer. And let's see, we should be good now. And there you go. And the arm's off. Now you can get to the arm and you can loosen up the bolt here if you need to replace the main arm, and you can pull the door shoe off or put on a new rod if that's what you need to do. Now for installation here, we're going to just do it in reverse order. So make sure the door is on hold open. So let's say we bolted up our brand new arm here. We're going to put the door at 90 degrees or wherever the stop was before, and then we are going to just slide it back on. And don't tighten it down yet. We're gonna put this one doesn't have to be super tight. Then we're gonna shove this down on that washer. I like to have it sitting on there. And then just gonna tighten it back up. Now this is actually what holds this spindle to the shaft here, so you want to get this pretty tight. And that's it. So now we should be able to take the door off hold open. Door should come fully shut. And then you can check and cycle the door to make sure that it does go fully open as far as it did before, and then you guys should be good. Thank you for watching.